Hi, good morning. I'm here to pick up a prescription for Emily Brooks.
Good morning. Let me check. Yes, we have it ready. It's the antibiotic for your sinus infection, right?
That's the one. My doctor sent it over this morning.
Yes, I see it here. Just to confirm, you're not allergic to any medications, are you?
Nope, no allergies.
All right. You'll need to take one capsule twice a day, with food. And make sure you finish the full course, even if you start feeling better.
Got it. How many days is it for?
It's a 7-day course. If your symptoms don't improve by the 5th day, you should follow up with your doctor.
Okay, thanks. Do I need to avoid anything while I'm on it?
Avoid alcohol, and try not to take it with dairy right away, it can reduce how well the medicine works. Wait at least 2 hours if you're eating dairy products.
Good to know. How much do I owe?
It's $12. Do you have insurance?
Yes, but I think it doesn't cover this one.
No problem. You can pay here. And here's the information sheet, everything we just talked about is written on it too.
Thank you so much. You were really helpful.
You're welcome, Emily. Hope you feel better soon.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Excuse me, is this where the number 12 bus stops?
Yes, it is. The number 12 should be here in about 10 minutes.
Oh, good. I'm new around here and wasn't sure. I'm trying to get to Central Park.
You're on the right bus then. It goes straight through downtown and stops near the park.
Thanks. Do I need exact change for the fare?
Not anymore. They take contactless cards or the city travel pass. But you can still pay with coins if needed.
Perfect. I only have my card. Is it crowded this time of day?
Usually not too bad around now. Morning and evening rush hours are the worst.
Good to know. This weather's been all over the place lately, huh?
Tell me about it. It was sunny an hour ago, now it looks like it might rain.
Guess I should have brought an umbrella.
Always a good idea in this city. Oh look, there's the number 12 now.
Thanks so much for your help, really appreciate it.
No problem. Have a nice ride and enjoy Central Park.
Thanks, you too.